Start your own money-making fashion store in the trendiest niche and tap into the booming $494 billion per year fashion industry. It's never been easier to earn consistently online and claim your piece of the pie. Meet AI Store Maker. It's the first cloud-based tool that lets you build a fashion store using AI. With just a few clicks, you can set up a high-value affiliate store packed with millions of top-selling fashion products from Amazon, the world's leading e-commerce affiliate network. It's all about making profits quickly and easily. Get ready to cash in with ease. This setup automatically loads millions of top-selling fashion products from Amazon, so you can rake in big commissions every day without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to wasting hours setting up complicated fashion stores. Shopify's got you covered. AI Store Maker is packed with awesome features that make setting up your own fashion store a breeze. Imagine creating a profit-generating store in just 60 seconds without the hassle of complicated setups like Shopify. This fully automated, AI-driven tool means you won't need to spend on paid traffic anymore, thanks to its built-in traffic tool. With 2 million top-selling fashion products ready to go, you can start selling in just 5 minutes. Plus, it comes with an AI-powered content and graphics generator using ChatGPT. Enjoy free hosting, no domain or hosting needed, and dive into the booming affiliate marketing fashion niche. It's all cloud-based, so there's nothing to download or install. Say goodbye to costly e-commerce software subscriptions, and hello to stunning affiliate fashion stores created without any tech skills required. You even get a commercial license to create and sell high-demand stores for clients. With just one click, you can build amazing AI-powered stores that deliver results. Start your own six-figure fashion design agency effortlessly, no monthly fees involved. The user-friendly dashboard is perfect for newbies, with no hidden costs and optimized mobile usage included. And if you're not satisfied, there's an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Kickstart your online fashion store and tap into the massive $494 billion per year fashion industry with just 3 simple steps. First, hop onto the AI Store Maker cloud-based app using the link in the description. Next, set up your online fashion store with just one click. Finally, sit back and enjoy. Your AI-powered online fashion store is all set to rake in big bucks for you. Picture yourself running your own online fashion store, packed with the latest trends, and making a nice income without lifting a finger. Tons of people are already cashing in on this cool solution with AI Store Maker, turning their dreams into reality. Why not hop on board too? You definitely don't want to pass up this awesome chance. Jump into the world of AI Store Maker today and see your profits take off. Just click the link below to sign up now and start building your fashion empire without any risk.